Okay, let's talk rollers. Okay, so I'm trying to talk a little bit more in my videos. I feel like I am pretty comfortable. Actually, one of the girls in work said to me the other day, she was like, Colleen, you sound really good in your videos. Like, you sound so confident. And I was like, it's kind of easy when I'm literally just looking at my face and nothing more. But I think if I was in front of people, even like Lewis or my sisters, I still get like really freaked out. But I'm in the middle of doing my makeup. I do want to put a roller in the front of my hair, and I thought I would do it and show you how to put a roller in to give yourself more volume. Job fine, but I just kind of take out the front section that has my kind of bang area on. Now I was dusting, or not dusting, what you call it? I was like knocking walls in my house the other day. So I wasn't dusting, but there was dust literally everywhere. And I've washed my hair since, and my hair still feels like dust. So I actually think I'm going to give it another wash like today, even though I only washed it like not yesterday, but the night before. Because I just feel like it just feels gross. So I like to roll down into my face when I'm doing my bangs, but this is the way that you get volume when you do your rollers. So you want to roll up. So I like to roll the roller across it once like that, and then I like to go up to the very top, and when you have a little tail hanging out, you want to twist and pull, twist and pull. You want to make sure you're feeling the tension from the root. And just make sure all the hair is in, twist, twist. That is the way your roller should be, like nice and volumized at the top. I need to leave the house in like 2 minutes. I didn't actually realize the time, so I need to leave the house. And I don't think this has been in long enough because it's literally been like 15-20 minutes, but I take the clips out. I normally use one clip. I just use two to be a bit fancy there at the beginning, but you'll be able to see like there's so much more volume at the root, and I normally split my hair in half. I'm still kind of trying to figure out my style for the front of my hair, but you can see just the volume it gives at the roots when you lift it a bit more up. I am going to do, see, I'm going to do like a bit more of an in-depth kind of video, because if I like want a lot of volume, I kind of need to do rollers everywhere. So I might do that like tomorrow, because I think I have the time. Just like really volumize curls and just how rollers make such a difference. But it just depends on your hair. So I'll do a whole other video on that. But get yourself a pack of rollers. I got these Lilo and Stitch ones in Primark like 1.5 years ago. And they literally cost me like, I want to say like 50p for like 8 of them, because they were just reduced. And I literally went in with the mindset of just get something that's a bit cheaper and you'll figure it out whether or not you're going to use rollers. And then I found I found pink ones that I've had for years. They were like in the bottom of a box. And then these black ones, I'm pretty sure I got at a charity shop. But they were like in the package brand new, like not even opened. And yeah, so yeah, I might do like a whole volumized moment tomorrow.